Oh my God. Oh, that's a beast. Oh, that's a beast. All right. Doing a little creek fishing today, again. And like the other days this week, it's like 96 degrees. So it's definitely a scorcher out there, but this water honestly feels a lot nicer than most of the other water I've been in. It's not a complete bathtub, so that makes me a little bit excited about this spot. But water's super clear, crystal clear, honestly, and looks good. Bunch of weeds here. Looks like it definitely holds some fish, so excited. Let's get after it. All right, little worm on there. Let's cast it in there. I kind of want to go under this like this little slop right here, right by this tree. See if anything's in there. Bunch of gills. Little rock bass though. Don't want that though. Not the target species. People have definitely fished here before, which is a little discouraging, but what can you expect in Pennsylvania? There's not that many spots people haven't fished. There's one, finally. Oh my goodness. Little gill, tiny gill. Didn't think he'd get his whole mouth in there, but there he is, little gill, throwing back. Surprising. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There is, oh that's a big dead carp, man. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Huge bass. Big, giant bass. Right there. Right there. That is a monster bass. He's huge. He's huge. He's huge. Oh my God, he's not gonna eat. He's not gonna eat. I'm guessing someone caught him. Oh my God, dude. That is a monster smallie. Oh my God. There are monsters in this creek, man. Absolute monsters in this creek. This is gonna be a day. This is gonna be a day and a half, guys. This is gonna be craziness. This is literally what I'm fishing with right now. Teeny tiny worm. And in these creeks, like, you can almost like throw anything you want. Like if you want to, you can throw a big presentation and you'll catch fish. But you can also throw this little thing, which is next to nothing, and catch fish of a pretty good size. So it's definitely something that's really unique to creeks like this. Here's something. Woo! Little gill again. It's pretty impressive. They can even get their mouths around this little hook, but they can do it. Going small presentation with this little worm, so hopefully can catch virtually anything in here. There's a fish. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Little bass. Good fish. Get up. Yes! Finally, man. First one of the day. Down. Been long enough. First guy of the day. Little teeny guy. Just throw him back. He's all, oh, smacked me in the foot. That was funny. Alright. So I guess these little worms work. I just have to keep throwing these little worms. All I want is just some of these bass, man. And I know there's some monsters in here. It's weird, this creek section has literally no rock bass, which I'm not complaining about. So I don't really like rock bass too much, but it is weird. Oh, speaking of that, there's one right in front of my face. I'm gonna catch him. Got him. Yeah, told you. There he is. The one thing about these guys is they are aggressive. They will eat. They are not afraid to eat. Sometimes you need to have just like a good micro fishing day. Just catch like some bluegill, a little bass. Come into a little creek like this and just catching like bluegill and small fish like that. It's just always a fun time. Highly recommend. That's a fish. Did you see that jump? That was awesome. That was awesome, man. That jump was crazy. Little tiny smallie. But hey, I'll take it. Look at that teeny tiny guy. He flew out of the water for that. That was pretty cool. All right, let's throw him back. He's hot. That was awesome. That was so funny. Well, finally got a smallie. Better than no smallie, right? Just get one a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's really shallow back here. Very, very, very shallow. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a decent fish. That's another smallie. That's another smallie. Stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned. Whoo! Haha! Another tiny smallie. Nice. Little upgrade. Teeny tiny guy, but let's throw him back. Whew. Cool. Hey, they're getting bigger. They're definitely getting bigger. It's pretty good. Yep, there's something. That's a fish. Oh, get out of there. Oh, oh. Another little smallie. Another little guy. But here's that little guy. Whoo, teeny guy. Boom, little guy. Throw him back. Guess I got him on hook pretty easily, but whew. Cool. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger, slowly but surely. Oh, got one. Whoa, look at that guy. That's awesome. That is a cool looking fish right there. Whoa. Whoops. Alright, he's good. Had a little trouble getting out there, but that guy was pretty cool looking though. Oh, there's a fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a real good fish. That's a real good fish. Real good fish. That's a real big fish. That's a good fish. Oh my god. Yeah! Dude, look at my rod. Let's go. There we go. Finally a decent bass, man. Yes. Let's throw him back. Woohoo! Yes. That was awesome. Sacrificed the equipment for that one. That was so awesome. Dude, this is the best. Oh man, I love this fishing, man. There is nothing better than this right here. Little deep spot right here. Looks real deep actually. Someone took it. That's something. Rock bass again. Another rock bass. About the same size as the last one. Let's get a smallie out of this little hole. I think there's gotta be a smallie in here, right? Oh, that's a big fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh, he came off. No. 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 Oh my god. That was a nice bass. Ah. I'm gonna be kicking myself for that one for a while. That's another fish. Oh, he jumped right in. Smaller guy. Little guy. Perfect hook set right on top of the mouth. Little guy. Fat guy too. Oh my god, his friend's right there. His friend's right there. Wait a second. Wait a second. Can I catch his friend too? No way, I can double up right now. Hey? He's looking at it. We got it. No! No, he bit it. He ate it. He ate it. He ate it. I almost just doubled up. Oh! Oh, okay, he's off. Dude, there's a bunch of bass out here. There's a bunch of bass. Like little bass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's a beast. Oh, that's a beast. Oh my god. Oh, that's a beast. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, look at that beast. That was awesome. Oh my god, I saw him eat that. Look at him. That's a beast. That's a creek monster right there. That's a creek monster. That's a 3-pounder. That's a 3-pounder in a little creek. Are you kidding me right now? Look at this beast, guys. Oh, that's a good, real good fish. Look at that guy. Holy crap. Send him off. He's off. Look at him in there. Yes. Look at him, he's huge. Yes. Yes! Yes! Did that just happen? That was amazing. Let's go get another one. Why not? Oh my god, there's more bass over here. There's more bass. There's more bass. There's more. There's a dude. He's on it. He's on it. He spit it. He's ate it. Come on. Come on. It's too easy, man. Little tiny guy. Little tiny boy, but throw him back. That was awesome. Saw him eat that. There's nothing cooler than this right here. Nothing cooler than this. There's something. What do we got here? Little gill again. Whoa, gave him a little nose ring. Literally went in his nose. That is kind of crazy. Boop. All right, water here is a little shallow, so I think we're really gonna walk back, see if we can get some fish along the way when we get back. But we're gonna kind of make haste to get back there. Gonna obviously fish that bridge again. Maybe some of those big ones we'll be willing to eat since it's a little later in the day. And yeah, let's take a trip back and hopefully catch some fish along the way. Let's get another big one. It's really gonna wrap it up for today. Caught a ton of nice fish. One legitimate monster, which was awesome. And overall, it's a really good day. A lot of numbers. Struck out in the beginning with that topwater, but switched over to this seemingly like micro worm, and it really did the trick. It was perfect. Did a little micro fishing, caught tons of species. Just overall great day. So that's really gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. See you later.